Hey, Superhero Man 234 here with another toy review, and today we're going to be reviewing Transformers Prime Bumblebee Legion class. Okay, so let's get started. He rolls pretty well, and he comes with a gun. Pretty nice car. Okay, to transform him, what you need to do is separate the back right here, just like a little bit, and then the arms, you're gonna have to like take them out like that. Sometimes it doesn't work, like that. And you're gonna bring the hood down and rotate them down like this. And you're gonna separate more of the legs, like that. Now, right here, you have to pull the legs down. Look at that. So the feet are up. Now, he stands up pretty good. And his gun, you can make him hold it. Or you could, there's a little hole, you put the peg in the side of the arm. So yeah. That is all for today, and see you later. See you later.